Hey YouTube, this is my California King snake setup. This is the cold side, that's the hot side. I have two snakes in here right now. This one's the mean one, and that one's the really nice one. I got this little stump thing that they usually just go in the bottom of and lay down there. The heating pad's going to go right over that rock, so if they needed it, they could just heat up on that rock. And I made a little ramp so they can go and soak. Right now he's actually soaking in his water, but he can go in his water and do whatever he needs to do. And yeah, I always use Aspen for all of my snakes, and I got some like slates and put them down, and that's about it. I don't have the light and the heating pad in this video, but it's a really basic setup. Oh, and it's also a 20 high tank.